Christmas nail stickers. 8 sheets Christmas nail decals, a variety of Christmas elements for you to choose from. Snowflake nail stickers include Santa Claus, Christmas elk, Christmas snowflakes, bird, Christmas trees and other Christmas elements. DIY nail art. Winter nail stickers bring you best wish. You can design different styles of Christmas-like nail art with your family, friends, and sisters, satisfy your rich imagination of nail DIY and create your own Christmas style. Safety material. Xmas nail stickers are made of safe and environmentally friendly materials, safe and non-toxic, perfect for home use and nail salon. Easy to use. Just use tweezer to peel off nail self-adhesive stickers and stick Xmas decals on your nail. You can also use top coat to cover to make the beautiful stickers last longer. Best Christmas gift. You can choose our Christmas nail stickers to give for your family, friends, mother, wife or children. It is a perfect nail decoration that all women and girls will love. Top reviews from the United States. Works great and looks cool. They are very clear and cute. I didn't have a problem with ripping. You have to soak them in water, then use a sharp pair of tweezers to peel them off. Make sure it's positioned where you want it before pressing it on because it's hard to get back off to reposition.